Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Natwest mortgage account. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the search bar and then search for Natwest mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen or click the second link which is the official page of Natwest mortgage account. After a while, you will notice that a customer server or a login portal will appear. If not, this page will appear. Go ahead and scroll down and click on Login to manage your mortgage. In a while, you can see that you can write down your mortgage account number, your date of birth, your surname, your mortgage properties postcode, and then click Login. This way, you can log in to your Natwest mortgage account. Let me show it to you once again, guys. All you need to do is go ahead and open natwest.com and then click on login, which is on the top right hand side to log into your Natwest account. And if you want to log in to your mortgage account, all you need to do is log in this page over here. So wait for a while and write down your customer number, your card number if you want to, and then click continue. This way you will be logged into your Natwest account. If you want to log into your mortgage account, click login to my mortgage account. Then you can write down your personal information like your mortgage account number, your date of birth, your surname, your mortgage properties postcode, and after writing all of these, click login. This way you can successfully log into your Natwest mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.